Hi friends, this is a very important video. I am Pradeep Agarwal from Institute of Mind Control Development, Hyderabad, India. Now my friend, as you know, all over the world one virus is spreading. I'm not going to name here. You know what I mean by that. Now my purpose of this video and audio is to help you program your mind to protect yourself from this virus and heal yourself from this virus. You know my friend, our mind is very powerful. You must be remembering that when you were young, when you were playing some sports, you got some injury and you didn't feel anything. Only after 2-3 hours when you come back home, you saw the injury and then only you started feeling the pain. That means there is a part inside our mind who knows how can manage pain. There is another part of you, remember when many times you get some small injury or illness, without taking any medicine, without taking any care, automatically it healed. So my friend, you know there is a part in us who can heal ourselves automatically. And third, and most important thing my friend, you need to learn how to protect yourself. So my friend, in this video and audio, I'm going to guide you into self-hypnosis, a short self-hypnosis, a self-relaxation, and then help you program your mind to protect yourself from all this kind of viruses using the power of your own mind and power of suggestion and power of imagery and using the healing part already inside you. My friend, before listening to this tape or watching this video, remember, make sure nobody is around you and please don't listen to it while driving a vehicle or operating a machine. And please listen to this audio at least 3 times a day, and please share this video and audio to all your friends and family members all over the world so that everybody get benefit out of it. So my friend, let's get ready now. Find a place that nobody disturbs you, maybe lying down or sitting on a chair. I will suggest you practice this by sitting on a chair so that you don't get into natural sleep while relaxing. So are you ready now? That's right. And now listen to me. Take a deep breath and as you exhale, close your eyes down. And now take another deep breath and as you exhale, let your whole body become completely loose, limp and relaxed. That's right. With each and every breath you exhale, allow yourself to go deeper and deeper into relaxation. Now my friend, imagine a wonderful healing energy, a blue light coming down from above, entering the top of your head. This is a wonderful healing energy entering into the top of your head, and as it enters, it relaxes and soothes all the muscles in your whole body. Now my friend, as this blue light goes into your head, relaxing, soothing all the muscles on your head, then flowing down into your forehead, relaxing and soothing all the muscles and taking away all the discomfort. Feel this wonderful healing energy going down into your neck, into your throat, into your face, into your eyes, taking away all the discomfort, and this wonderful blue healing energy going down into both of your shoulders, into your back, into your chest, into your stomach and both of your hands and fingers, relaxing and soothing all the muscles. Now this wonderful healing energy going down into your hips, into your thighs, into your knees, into your ankles and into your toes, taking away all the discomfort. Feel this wonderful healing energy moving up and down in your body from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. Feel this wonderful healing energy relaxing and soothing all the muscles in your whole body. And now I'll count from 10 to 0. With each and every descending number, double your relaxation. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Very, very deeply and comfortably relax. Now you're deeply and comfortably relaxed. Now your subconscious mind is open for programming. Now you are ready to take the healing part of you to activate. Now my friend, I'm talking to your unconscious mind. I'm talking to a part of you who has helped you heal in the past. Activate, I'm asking the unconscious mind, activate that part right now. And as it activates, feel this wonderful feeling inside your whole body and mind, and this part of you fully activating now. And activated, it protects you from all kind of viruses, all kind of illness, and heal you completely. And these parts remain activated when you come out of self-hypnosis, anytime when you are around with the people, this part, anytime, like a antivirus software in your computer, anytime any virus attacks, it shows virus and say delete, tuck, it goes away. Same way, anytime you find any kind of viruses coming from all around you, you are totally protected. You just see them and instantly delete them and fully protect you. And now my friend, your unconscious, I'm asking your unconscious mind to activate your immune system in such a way that you become immune, your immune system becomes strong and you become healthy every moment. I'm asking your unconscious mind to activate the healer inside you, to activate the powerful immune system inside you. You feel very powerful, energetic and healthy from inside and feel full of energy. Now, I'm asking consciously to keep this activated throughout when you are wide awake and alert also. When you are going around and meet people, this immune system is there, fully activated and getting stronger and stronger and stronger every moment from now on. My friend, I want you to imagine that you are totally protected, your immune system is becoming stronger and your white blood cells are killing away any viruses inside your body right now, removing them and taking full control of your body, and you're becoming more and more healthy every day. And your breathing become more stronger. You're starting breathing deeply and naturally, and your breathing become more and more stronger. You breathe naturally, easily and deeply. So my friend, I want you to practice breathing exercises, whatever you have learned before. Or I'll give you a tip here. Take an inhale and then count from 1 to 5, then exhale 1 to 5. Practice this 10 times, 5 times in a day. So my friend, I wanted to imagine that if you are taking any kind of medicine right now for any kind of illness right now, imagine that medicines are going to that part and doing its healing works and starting healing 10 times faster than before. And every time any viruses or anything comes around you, your antibodies get activated 10 times stronger so that you are totally protected, totally powerful, totally confident. Now see yourself going into the places where you may suspect something may come in. When you walk out with confidence that you are totally protected. Your immune system is very, very strong and powerful. Your antibodies are very, very strong and you are becoming energetic, healthy and happy. Every moment from now on, every moment you are becoming 10 times more healthy, you are becoming more stronger, more energetic every moment from now on. And my friend, imagine that you are surrounded as you go out of your house or go and meet people. Imagine that you are surrounded by a transparent shield that protects you from other people's negative energies, illnesses or viruses. You are totally protected. I want you to imagine that you are walking into the area, a crowded area or somewhere you have to go, your office area, workplace. You are totally surrounded by this transparent shield and you are totally protected. Only good thing can come in. All the negative viruses or illness or whatever you call it, it just bounce off and go away, just bounce off and go away. Now my friend, this shield is a protective shield for you. Anytime when you're walking or meeting somebody, there is any chance of any virus or anything getting affected, it automatically pops up and blocks your whole body and mind and protects you fully from these viruses, and you're totally safe, totally calm, totally relaxed, and you live your life happily, energetically, fully protected. This is a very powerful programming, my friends. So listen to this audio or watch this video at least 3 times in a day. And please share this video to your friends, family members, in your WhatsApp group, in your email if you have an email database, on your Facebook, YouTube. Spread it. This is the most important thing right now for us, my friends, right now. So listen to this tape as many times as you want. And every time you listen to it, the programming will become 10 times more stronger, 10 times more stronger. And every time you listen to it, you'll feel more and more stronger, more and more healthy, more and more protected, and your antibodies and your immune system becomes 10 times stronger. So my friend, use this tape now regularly. Now, I'm going to count from 1 to 3. At the count of 3, when you open your eye, feel fantastic, feel wonderful, feel better than before, feeling completely healed, completely protected from all kind of diseases and viruses, and you're totally powerful, and you have the immune system to fight anything, and it's becoming stronger every day. So 1, feel energy coming back into your body from all directions. 2, become aware of your surroundings, and 3, open your eyes and notice how good you feel. If you're lying down on your bed, get up and walk around. If you're sitting on a chair, get up and walk around and notice how good you feel. You're totally protected. So my friend, I'm Pradeep Agarwal from Institute of Mind Control Development, and if you want the audio file of this, send me a WhatsApp message, save my number, we'll give it below. In the YouTube video, if you're watching on YouTube video or Facebook, wherever, send me there, and then save this number and send me a WhatsApp asking for a free audio on immune system to protect. Now, I've not used the virus which is going around purposely. We are talking only about healing yourself. Please focus on your healing and pass it on, and sometime in the future we'll meet personally. Thank you very much and see you soon.